Kidney beans. A side dish from Georgia. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the beans and put them into a pot. Fill the pot with cold water to cover and pour the water out when it boils. Step 2. Fill the pot with boiling water and simmer the beans together with a sprig of summer savory. Step 3. During the simmering, if necessary, add only boiling water. Step 4. When the beans are tender, take the savory out and add finely chopped onions and herbs, vinegar, salt, pepper, and sunflower seed oil. Step 5. The kidney beans can be served either immediately or at cool room temperature. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.